Hi friends, it's Daphne, your smart shopper. Okay, so it's Friday and you know what it's time for? It's for my simple saving hacks. Okay, these two are super simple and I'm thinking it's Easter time, so you might be doing some cooking in the kitchen and also you might be doing some traveling. So let's first start out with the way that you can deter thieves from stealing your money. So these are sanitary napkins, right? I guarantee you if a thief sees this in your purse, they're not going to think there's cash in there. So what you should do is obviously take the pad out. So you just have the cover right here like this, and then you put your cash in here, fold it up, and voila. And you could actually even stick the pad in there and leave it in there so it won't be see-through. So you can actually even do this, where you have your pad, and then you stuff your money in here to like cover it so they can't see through it, and then you just cover that. Whoever thought a sanitary napkin would actually deter thieves? And just throw that in your purse, but don't forget, this is where your money is, so don't throw this out. Okay, now when it comes to cooking, you know, it's good to have your hands free. Now, I often use like a laptop when I'm cooking, like if I have a recipe I want to pull up, but the problem with it is I may have food all over my hands. If I need to scroll, I can't do that. So this is what a clothes hanger with clips on it is used for. You can put your recipe books or just your sheet of recipes right here. You can see it all right here, and you can cook and have your hands dirty, and you don't have to fold any pages or touch any mouse or scroll a screen. So these are my two simple saving hacks. Hopefully they'll save you time because they'll make life more efficient, and it'll save you money because you don't have to buy anything to solve the problem. Have a fantastic Easter, and as always, don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.